might be wondering, why is it clicking? Is there something wrong with your car? Actually, no, dummy. If you know anything about cars, you know that this is a gasoline direct injected engine. Made it through a Mitsubishi TD03 turbo. All I have done the engine, PRL, short end intake. On the exhaust side, turbos here, a pop there. Let's do some parking garage pulls. Oh yeah, and K-Tuner 2-step performance stage 1 plus. Alright guys, shifter ASMR. Also, I got REVVING beside me with this thing. Oh, fucking music. That's it. Top of third, boys. That's all you got. Top of third. And now we're in traffic. Top of third. Now we're in traffic. Top of third. Guys like that magic. This ain't. That wasn't even a no-look shot. Yeah, you can't get the exhaust. Let's get off here. Let's go see some of the streets. Alright guys, so here we are, streets of Woodfield. Let's fucking see what's up. Hopefully Adam's here because I wanted to make a video with his audience. Where's that Danny Saab? That is Danny Saab. We're just gonna cut across traffic right here. Alright guys, as you can tell, here is a Saab 9.5. This one belongs to Danny. When I blow the motor, probably gonna drop in the ratings. Probably not a B, because Bs are like fucking basically Mercedes motors. They are not easy. Or actually, maybe we won't even get to do normal pulls, because I forgot this is a 1-lane. So we'll just do normal pulls. It looks like there's about 30,000 people in this lane. And that's basically it. Alright, so hope you guys have enjoyed. You probably did not. Hold on, show them the gas prices.